friends, welcome back to my maths channel Learn Easy Maths. Yesterday, as you know, that we have started a new series. The topic of our series is arithmetic progression. So today in that series we have the second part of the arithmetic progression. Yesterday in my introductory part I discussed with you what's the sequence and what's an AP. That AP means arithmetic progression. I said you one logical deduction and conclusion that every AP is a sequence, but all sequences are not an AP. Okay. What is the general form of an AP? Let's remind once again and recollect. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. The last term, that is an nth term, is A plus n minus 1 into D. Alright. If you see this one, what do we say? The first term is A, common difference is D, total number of terms are n, and the last term is an an. Okay, we know this much. Alright. Let's take one example for this one. 5 and 13 and 21, 29 and 37, etc. This is an AP whose first term is 5 and difference is 8, because 13 minus 5 is 8, 21 minus 13 is 8, 29 minus 21 is 8, and so on. So I take this is A is equal to here what it is 5, D is equal to 8. If this is the first term and assume this is the last term, we know all these middle terms in between the 5 and 37, 13, 21, 29. But it is a general and a common notion, the concept that we start the first term as an A, but for our conceptual way, that is for our convenient, we assume it is that it is A is the first term. But literally, A is not an exactly the first term. I tell you, for example, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, plus 8 is equal to 21, plus 8 is equal to 29, plus 8 is equal to 37. What is the succeeding term for the 37? Add another 8, you get, which is equal to 45. Yes. Then what is the succeeding term of the 45? Add another 8, you get 53. Okay. If we go on adding the common difference to its succeeding term, we get a new term in AP. Yes. What is the first term here? The first term is here 5. 5, then 5 is the first term. What is the preceding term for this 5? How? This is the succeeding. The 5 plus 8, 13 is the succeeding. 13 plus 8, 21 is the succeeding. I would like to ask to all the viewers, is there any preceding term is there? Yes, definitely. How do we obtain that preceding term? Preceding means the number which falls behind the given number. That preceding term is same. How in succeeding we got the progression adding? Similarly, in preceding we have to subtract the common difference. That is, this is 1. What now? 5 minus 8. Okay. 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. Okay. Minus 3. Then again you add this one. Minus 3. And it is just to another minus 8. It will be a minus 11. Minus 3 and minus 8. It is an minus 11. So this is minus 3 is the preceding term to the 5, and minus 11 is the preceding term to the minus 3, and minus 19 is another term. Now let me write a complete sequence of the AP. I repeat once again, let me write the complete sequence of an AP. So I stop here, listen carefully. Minus 19, minus 11, minus 3, and this is again the original 5, and this is 13, and this is 21, and this is 29, and this is 37, and so on. My question to you all, what is this? These are the AP. This is in AP. Now my question is, does this sequence are in AP? Is it this in AP or not? Just test it. As you know, this is the first term, this is the second term. The difference between these two, minus 11 minus of minus 19, minus 11 plus 19 is equal to plus 8. Our difference is plus 8. Do you understand? Similarly, minus 3 minus of minus plus 11, minus 3 plus 11 is plus 8. Similarly, then 5 minus of minus 3, it is plus 3 is equal to plus 8. This is what the important concept I wanted to just enlighten your minds. I wanted to show you that the AP can be obtained by its previous and by its next successor number also, isn't it? So we have taken what is the preceding to the 5 for the same sequence of AP. The preceding to the 5 is a minus 3, then it is a minus 11, then it is a minus 19. Similarly, what is the succeeding term? Then it is plus 45, then it is plus 53, then it is plus 61. So this is the way we can develop a well concept of an AP. I hope you understand. My students particularly, I appeal you, please watch this video again and again. You will get a wonderful concept. We don't have this only direct the first A plus D, A plus 2D. Then we have another term then preceding to the A. I will write it. Just observe it carefully. I hope you understand this concept. Now, next. It's again my sincere appeal to all of you. Viewers, please do subscribe and just share this video with your friends and get benefited with these simple ideas. Now actually, A is the first term. Okay. What is its succeeding term? A plus D. Then next it is A plus 2D. Then next it is A plus 3D. Etc. Dot 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 dot. What is the last term? A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it correct? A first term, A succeeding A plus D, and so on. By adding plus D, plus D, plus D, we get this one. Alright. What is the preceding term to this first term? The preceding term to the first term is subtract D, A minus D. Do you understand? Then A minus 2D, then A minus 3D, etc. etc. A minus n minus 1 into D. This is the wonderful, we can say that a basic concept of this AP. Understand? These are all the terms which leads to the succeeding. These are all the terms which leads to the preceding, and A is the middle one. Does it understand? Usually you have some technical problems often you get in the annual examination. Say for an example, the sum of 3 terms of an AP is so and so. The sum of 3 terms of an AP. Suppose if you want to take sum of 3 terms of an AP, usually you have a concept A plus D and A plus 2D. If you consider the sum of 3 terms of an AP, what do you get? You get A plus A plus A, 3A, and D plus 2D is 3D. And you get 2 variables, which is not possible for you to solve that given sum. Rather, if you take the sum of 3 terms of an AP, you have to take this sum of 3 terms. What is that? A plus D, A minus D. I start like this. A minus D, comma A plus D. Then you add this, that is equal to minus D plus D, which is equal to 3A. The sum of 3 terms of an AP is 3A. And the sum of 5 terms of an AP, what it is? A minus 2D plus A minus D plus A plus 2D and a plus d, sorry, a plus d plus a plus 2d. Okay, this is the sum of 5 terms. Minus 2d plus 2d minus d plus d get cancelled, and what do we get? A plus a plus a, it is equal to 5a. This is the concept. You understand that we can write the arithmetic progression in this way also. A minus d preceding a plus d corresponding. A plus 2d and its succeeding, its corresponding preceding is a minus 2d. I hope you are all following. It's a wonderful way. And a plus 3d, its next succeeding, then its corresponding preceding is a minus 3d. Similarly, its last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. And its last term in succeeding way, a minus n minus, sorry, preceding way, a minus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is the succeeding form of a sequence AP from right side, and it is the a minus n minus 1 into d. It is the preceding form of its AP in the left side. So if you take and if you reverse any progression, you will follow this procedure. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Now I will take a few problems to solve. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Then we come to the solution of some of the problems. All right, what are the problems? I will take an example of this one so that you can understand easily. The third and the ninth term of an AP, the third and ninth term of an AP, it's given that what it is, 4 and minus 8 respectively. The third term of an AP is 4 and the eighth term of an AP is minus 8 respectively. And you are asked to find which term of this AP is 0. Which term of this AP is 0. Alright. First you take this one. A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to minus 8. Alright. How do you write AN? Generally we write AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Follow the same thing. A3 can be written as A3 is equal to A plus n minus 3 minus 1, that is 2D. Alright. A9, similarly follow A9 is equal to A plus, what is n? 9. 9 minus 1 is what? 8D. Okay. And it is given respectively, it's is equal to 4 and this is equal to minus 8. What you need to do, children, listen that one. You need to do is that change there. This is a simultaneous equation with a 2 variable. You know that one, how to solve this one. This minus plus changes to minus, plus changes to minus, and minus changes to plus. Alright. Now this is plus a minus a cancelled. I take plus 2d. After changing the sign, now it becomes minus 8d. So what is that? Minus 8d plus 2d, it will be minus 6d. Alright. Then what about this? Plus 4 plus 8, it is equal to 12. What about this d? D is equal to 12 divided by minus 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Therefore, d is equal to what? Minus 2. Okay. We got d is equal to minus 2. Now, after getting the value for the d, we have to find the value of a. Choose any one of these simultaneous equation. Any one. Either you choose this one or you choose this one. Okay, let's take first equation itself. A plus 2d is equal to 4. A plus 2d is equal to 4. A plus 2, already we obtained the value of d, that is equal to minus 2 is equal to 4. Alright. A plus into minus, this is plus into minus, multiplying the bracket, minus 4 is equal to 4. Remember, plus into minus. Then a is equal to plus 4, and this left hand side 4, transpose it to the right side, it shift and it becomes plus 4. A is equal to 8. Alright. A is equal to 8. Now, but the question is being asked, which term of an AP will be the 0? The question is asked that which term of this AP is 0? Like AN is equal to 0. AN is equal to 0. What is AN? Viewers, A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to what? 0. Alright. We know the value of A and D. Substitute that one. A is what? 8 plus N minus 1 into D is what? Minus 2. That is equal to 0. The nth term is equal to 0. Let's see that which particular term we get that one. 8 plus, this is the common basic simplification. Most of my students, on the basis of the experience, I say that you can solve the technicality of the problem, but such basic things you will lapse it and you will collapse. Don't try to get that blunder or mistake here. Minus, see, minus, this is minus 2 multiplying both n and minus 1. Minus into plus, and this will be minus 2n. Okay, minus of minus, it will be plus 2 is equal to 0. Do you understand? What happened? It is a plus 8 plus 2. It is 10 minus 2n is equal to 0. 10 minus 2n is equal to 0. What is that? 10 is equal to what? Minus 2n will be on the right side. It is plus 2n. Or I write 2n is equal to what? Plus 10. N is equal to what? 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. So n is equal to 5. Then what I have assumed it? An is equal to 0. I say that A5 is equal to 0. The fifth term of this AP will be the 0. Let's verify, children. Just not orally we will say and we will keep quiet. We want to make a cross check and verify. A5 is equal to what? A plus 4D. Am I correct? What we just obtained, no? Fifth term of an AP will be the 0. Let's substitute what is A. A is 8 plus what is this D is minus 2. Alright. 8 plus into minus 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. What we obtained A5 is always is equal to 0. This is the way that we can find our solution to the problems. Okay. I take one more example for that. I hope you understand this one. Viewers and my dear students, please go on the basis of the concept. Do not learn the mathematics just as a mechanical work. I would say that you have to just go with the contrivance of the skill. Skill is the most important. If you know the concept, then it will be good for you. I take one more example for this solutions now. Then what is this? Okay, now look at this example. Which term of AP, arithmetic progression, 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Which term of an AP? We don't know what term is 132 exceeding than the A54. Okay, that it is given like that. Which term? We don't know. Let the term be AN. Assume that. Let the term be AN. AN is equal to what? A54 plus 132. Okay. This is the exact interpretation of this question. Which term of an AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? What is our AP now? The AP's first term is 3. The common difference is 15 minus 3, 12, and 27 minus 15 is 12. Similarly, 39 minus 27 is 12. So our common difference B is what? 12. Okay, we have to just find what it is, right? Write this left hand side a plus n minus 1 into d, all right, is equal to the right hand side a 54 is written as a plus 54 minus 1 is 53d plus 132. Okay, what are the known terms and the known elements? Just we are having the first term 3, the common difference is 12. Substitute in on either side LHS and RHS. 3 plus n minus 1 into the d is already known, that 12. Similarly 3 plus 53 d is it's 12, okay, plus 132. Now this LHS part, it is calculated as it is simplified. 3 plus 12 into n is 12n and 12 ones are 12. Similarly 3 plus 53 into 12, 12 5 is 60 plus 12 3 is 36. This is 636 plus 132. Here we have this two constant term 3 minus 12. What is that? 12n minus 9 is equal to 3 plus 636 plus 132. 12n minus 9, make the sum of all these 3 plus 636 is 639. 639 plus 32 is 671 plus 100, its sum is equal to 771. Okay, the sum of all these three terms, which is equal to 771. Okay, 12n is equal to 771. 9 is being transposed or it is shifted to the right side, minus will become plus. 12n is equal to 780. Okay, 780. Therefore 12n is equal to 780. N is equal to 780 divided by 12. How does it divide? It divides 12 6 is 72. Out of 78, 72 is divided and we get the sixth term here, it is 60. 12 5 is 60. N is equal to what? 65. Therefore A65 is equal to A54 plus 132. This is the meaning. A65 is equal to A54 plus A32. Let's verify and cross check it. What is A65? A65, look here, A65 is equal to A54 plus 132. A65 can be written as A plus 64D and A54 can be written as A plus 53D plus 132. Substitute A and D on either side. If you get LHS equal to RHS, then definitely this sentence, mathematical sentence is true. A65 is equal to A54 plus 132. What is the first term? 3 plus 64. What is the common difference? 12 is equal to 3 plus 53 into 12 plus 132. 3 plus 12 4 is 48. 4 carry, 12 6 is 72 plus 4 76 is equal to 3 plus 636 plus 132. 763 plus 3 is how much? 771, and this is equal to 771. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and what the term it is given A65 is 132 more than its A54. This is the way that how we can ensure that what the problem we have solved, its verification is also true. With this, my viewers, my students and everybody whosoever may be watching, I take and end up to this today's second series. Tomorrow will be continued with the same topic but with some other subtopics like the sum of the n series. Today is a progression, how a progression turns or changes to the series, that we will be discussed tomorrow. In the forthcoming videos we will discuss some more things. After that we will ensure that there will be some more topics will be included in this video. With this, I am going to take a leave of you all viewers and students, and it is my once again sincere request and appeal. What you are waiting for that one, please press the bell icon, subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget ever never that the concept of a plus d, a minus d, a plus d and its corresponding is a minus d, a plus n minus 1 into d and its corresponding is a minus n minus 1 into d. With this, I am going to end up my video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.